Hey class, let's just review what we did in class today. So in class today we worked on the I can statements of I can write an equation of a line given a point and the slope. So let's quickly review our steps. So we write out the known parts and label. We put in what you know into the y equals mx plus b. We solve for b, we write the equation. So let's practice a few really quickly. Remember, I like to write out my equation, the very first thing. So y equals mx plus b. Well, I notice here I have my m, and in this point I have an x and a y. So now I'm going to match things up. I start with my y, that's 6, equals m is -2, times x is -4. I don't know what b is, so I'm going to leave plus b. That's really what we're trying to find here. So now I start by simplifying, and I'm going to multiply -2 times -4, and that gives me 8. I didn't do anything with anything else, so it comes straight down. Now my order of operations backwards, because we're solving for a variable, I don't have any parentheses. Then I go down to subtraction, don't have any subtraction. I do have addition. I have adding +8. So I do the opposite and I subtract 8 from both sides. That leaves -2 equals b. Well, this isn't really what I was trying to accomplish. What I was trying to accomplish was the equation of a line. So now I have the pieces of the line that I need. So to finalize it, it's y equals that -2x minus 2. Because remember, we just had to replace our m and our b to get the equation of that line. Let's just try one more. We're going to skip example 2. We did that in class, but let's try example 3. So example 3, I'm looking at it, and again I see that I have my slope and a point. So I like to label those as well. And again, I like to write my equation so I can know what I'm doing. Now I play the matching game. Well, y is at 2, m is at 1/3, x is at 3 plus b, because I don't know that. So I simplify right here. I have the 1/3 times 3. That gives me 1. I didn't do anything with anything else, so I bring those down. Now again, backwards PEMDAS, parentheses, don't have that. Subtraction, don't have that. Addition, I do have that, so I'm going to do the opposite. And because I do it to one side, I have to do it to both sides. Now I have 1 equals b, or b equals 1. But I'm not done yet. Now I have to rewrite it, and I leave my y alone, and I leave my x alone, and I put in the other numbers that I have. Well, my m is 1/3, and my x and my b is 1. Now, it is a positive 1, so I write +1. If it was a negative, it would have gotten a -1. All right, thank you, class.